Today on You Can Change Vegan, we're making protein red lentil dal with rice. As tradition, I've counted one red lentil for every subscriber. We're up to 586. Thanks everyone for subscribing. We'll start with dried red lentils, so 2 cups of those. We'll rinse them in some cold water and then allow them to soak so they cook a little bit quicker. While they're soaking, we'll start off by dicing our onion. Heat up some oil over a medium heat and then add in the diced onion, followed by 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Give that a stir, and then 2 tablespoons of curry powder and a teaspoon of chili depending on how spicy you like it. Season with some pepper and a teaspoon of vegetable stock powder. Drain the lentils and then add them to the fry pan, followed by a litre of water, or a litre of liquid vegetable stock instead of the powder. Give that a stir and then place a large pot 1/3 full of water over a high heat to boil. Allow it to simmer while stirring occasionally. Next are the added protein sources, so we've got peanut butter here, 4 tablespoons, or you could use peanuts and then just give them a chop. In the peanut butter goes, so we've got 4 tablespoons. The next protein source is a cup of soy milk, and that goes. 2 teaspoons of lemon juice for some acidity, and then optional is some sugar for sweetness. Give that all a stir. Once the water's boiled, add in 2 cups of rice and stir occasionally. Dal is ready when the sauce is thickened and the lentils are soft. Stir the rice occasionally, and then after you've tested that it's cooked, you can drain the rice. So now that the rice and the dal are both cooked, we'll grab out 4 bowls and begin serving. Starting with the rice in each bowl, followed by the lentil dal. This meal is high in protein, so the food in front of you has 152 grams of protein total, or each serving has 38 grams of plant protein. Season with salt to taste, and then garnish with coriander. I've used dried, but you can use fresh for that green colour. Here's how all the meals turned out, and now it's time to taste them. They taste really good, and they've got 38 grams of plant protein. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do so now.